Have you ever wondered how big companies manage to keep their websites and apps running smoothly without crashing, even with millions of users? The secret often lies in how they handle their databases. There is a powerful AWS service that handles that. This service is what they call Amazon RDS. Maybe you have heard of it but don't know exactly what they do. Amazon RDS, which stands for Relational Database Service, is like having a personal assistant for your database needs. Databases are where all the important information for apps, websites, and other software is stored, like customer details, orders, or product data. Managing these databases can be really complicated and time-consuming, especially if something goes wrong. Amazon RDS takes care of all the hard work for you. It's a service that lets you set up, run, and manage databases in the cloud without having to worry about the messy stuff like maintenance, backups, or software updates. You just choose the type of database you need, and Amazon RDS does the rest, keeping it fast, secure, and always available. I hope you now understand the use of Amazon RDS. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more explanations of the AWS services.